Hello, welcome back. I know it's been a minute. I'll catch you up. Bleached my hair a little. I got hair tinsel. Go to Catherine. She's the best. What else? I went to Post Malone twice in a week, and the tattoos got stuck on my face, and my boss told me I couldn't come to work, and I quit my job. So I'm unemployed right now, so I got something very special and my first one. I got my first PR package from Good Molecules, and I have never used their products before, but I've heard good things, and their Instagram is cute. So I cut it open so you wouldn't have to watch me struggle, but I thought that we could unbox it. And quick question, what do you think of my shirt? I love Reba McEntire. Someone tag her. So, Good Molecules. Let's go. We're gonna open it up. That's so cool. So many bright colors. Kind of love it. And this will open the tissue paper. Oh my god. Give me a lot of stuff. Okay. First thing they gave me. Is this a hate crime? Discoloration correcting serum. I appreciate it, and I'm not going to take that as a diss. Okay, so first thing, we have the discoloration correcting serum. Improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. My skin, I don't know. There's some stuff. Look how my hair is crazy. I had it in like a ponytail, so now my head looks like it's like a foot long. What the hell? Okay, should we open it? There's a lot of things that I can't pronounce in there except for the word alcohol. Aesthetic. What else? I'll talk about my life recently as we unbox this. I started teaching myself guitar again. So I'll input a video here. It's mostly Post Malone songs. I've kind of been on a Austin Richard Post kick, so you know, hit me up. I want to go to his bar that just opened, but it's in Nashville. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like one of those little dropper bottle things. I don't know. I mean, I have like a little makeup on, so I don't know if I'm going to use these now, but in future videos, I will update you guys how my skin's doing. Do I shake it? Shake well. Okay. Ooh, in the morning and night. What else is new? I cleaned my room. Got a giant tapestry of Post Malone. It said it was like 60 by 80 centimeters, but what came is 60 by 80 inches. So it really makes my room more me. I'll show you that, but let's see this. Let's see. Do I squeeze it? I can't tell if the bottle's brown or if the liquid inside is. How do you squeeze it? Kind of looks like, oh, this is very pretty. I like all the little tie-dye. I will be using this. Thank you. I guess they don't want me to say thank you. Very cute. I love the packaging. Next, Daily Brightening Serum, formulated with beta-arbutin and hyaluronic acid to gently brighten skin tone. My skin is quite dull. So my mouth just like twitched. I don't know if you saw that. Okay. Oh, they tell you like how to layer things. That's good, because I'm super bad at like skincare stuff. I opened like a Drunk Elephant thing that I had from like a while ago, like it was definitely expired, like most things I own. And it was supposed to be like the color of this, but it was the color of this bottle, like exactly. And that's why I was confused when I opened it. It was disgusting. Okay, let's open this up. What else is new? My life is not the most eventful one. Ooh, this is pretty. ASMR with my fuck ass nails. Look at that. It's like broken. Are these all like, do I have to shake this one too? Oh, this is before other products? I don't know. Let's just open it and find out. Let's fuck around and find out, bitch. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's clear. That's thick. Ah, kind of like that. Okay, next, lightweight daily moisturizer formulated with shea butter, avocado seed oil, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. I love how they have like the steps in here. That's really fun, actually. I can't wait to like up my skincare because my like skincare is kind of like, I feel like it could be like a man's. Like I fully just use like the CeraVe acne control one because my face is really oily and I think that like dries it out really well. But let's see. Ooh, this one's big. I thought when I saw the box, I was like, oh my god, I can't wait. Like they probably give me a bunch of samples. Like this is so nice. I've heard very good things about this brand. I'm very excited. And when my brother saw the box, he was like, I've heard of them. A man in college to hear about like a skincare brand, I feel like that means it's good. Lightweight daily moisturizer for external use only. Damn it. Ruins my plans for tonight. Can I smell it? Does it smell like anything? Okay, safely sealed. Love to see it. Oh, my thumbnail broke, so it's been really hard to play guitar, but we ball. Oh my god, the hole is so tiny. Okay. All right. What does it smell like? Oh shit. It smells like nothing. Should I just try this one? Yeah, it smells like nothing. Wait, cute. Oh my god, my skin is so soft. Probably good for me to moisturize because I was just tanning, even though you can't really tell because I'm like chronically pale. It's really smooth. Okay, yeah, I like this one a lot. Fucking rub it in, girl. Okay, last but not least is the niacinamide brightening toner, formulated with niacinamide, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. Thank God, like my pores, I just feel like are like gaping holes in my face. Don't love it. Okay, see this hoe, shall we? Ooh, what? This is like a big bottle. Okay. ASMR. Okay. What does this do? Dispense onto a cotton pad and gently sweep over cleansed skin. What does it do? 97% said skin felt smoother. 94% said skin looked more radiant. 48% said pores looked less visible, and 81%, I'm reading this backwards, said dark spots looked lighter. Fun. This is really cool. I feel like, I don't know, it's making me really happy. Cause it's like, I just kind of post on here for like fun and I like it and I like talking to you guys. Kind of smells like nothing.
Yumalish.
Okay, this is so exciting. Oh, there's a piece of paper in there. Oh, it's like the prices and stuff. see a difference in your skin. Oh my god, I hope I will. Okay, let's see the steps from our beautiful and generous lineup. Hello. I don't deserve this. Thank you. Okay, so the first one is cleanse. So I think that's just like what I would use, like the CeraVe. Niacinamide brightening toner is this. So you do this next. And then treat. Like crumble cookie? No. Oh, wait. Wait, they're all different things. I can't use these all together. Tone. What's toner? Sorry. Toner. So cleanser, toner, daily brightening serum, which is this. Moisturize, which is this. I'm glad that it's lightweight because again, my skin is so oily. So every time I moisturize, it's just like I'm like wiping acne onto my face and then it pops up 10 minutes later and I'm like, I was trying to help you. Anyway, this, I'm glad that it's lightweight. Like that has avocado oil in it. That's cool. And then I'm guessing this is last, right? Doesn't even mention it. Hello? Hello? Wait, but it's saying that this is before. Okay, this is like actually a map because these are all different directions. So I'm gonna try to map it together. So this is definitely first, unless I'm not supposed to use them all together. Oh, because some of them AM or PM. No, they all are. Okay, I would assume that this would go below moisturizer, right? I think the order would be just cleansing my face, then using the niacinamide brightening toner, and then the discoloration correcting serum, and then the daily brightening serum, and then the lightweight daily moisturizer. I think that's the order that's happening. Here's the card, by the way. I don't know if I was being selfish and didn't show. Yeah. Wait, this is so much fun. I'm so excited. This is like so generous. I love it. And the packaging is so cute. Wow. Love you, Good Molecules. Thank you so much. That is so generous. Let me know below if I actually mapped this out right, like the different orders, because I really am not the best at skincare. So I would love if a skincare baddie would be able to tell me what to do, what order, where to put it. But yeah, this is so generous. It like healed my soul to like get one because I'm like, wow, like I'm just doing this for fun and someone actually likes it. So thank you for the inspiration. Please use Good Molecules products because they're so nice and very aesthetic. So if there's anyone who's looking for an aesthetic, definitely hop on the Good Molecules bandwagon. It's cruelty free. Yes. Yay. Okay. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Ellie Feller again, if you're new here, which you probably are. I forgot to say that in the beginning. Thank you so much for watching me open this. It was just like, I know it's like a small thing, but like to me it wasn't because it was really exciting. Please make sure to like the video, comment below what order you do your skincare in, and if you use these products and how much they helped you. And yeah, so just like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss these uploads. So you don't miss me, because I know you'll miss me. Yeah, so that is all for today. I will see you guys soon because I have a few videos coming for my loyal fans. Kidding. Loyal friends. Okay. Bye guys.